The Apple International School is a diverse school and a happy school which started its journey in 1994. And the Apple International School, I would surely say, is an inclusive school which caters to the needs of various children coming from different backgrounds, coming from diverse backgrounds from different parts of the world. Our teachers also are from different parts of the world. All come together with one aim of achieving excellence for our children. We offer the National Curriculum of England, but definitely we infuse it with the best practices of perhaps across the world, and that is what makes the Apple International School so unique and much loved.
Kids love to come to our school because Apple Primary School gives them the chance and the opportunity to discover themselves, to explore their own potential. They get a kind of learning which is one of the rarest in any school that you can find in Dubai.
Well-being is a part of every child that walks through the doors of AIS.
My name is Shema and I'm from 3D. And I like this school because you see there's a lot of teachers that could help us. If we don't know something, they would help us to learn it again and again and again until we focus and we can learn, and when we grow up, we will just be like them if we want. My name is Fatima Arbani. I study in 2H and I like this school because I get to meet my friends, I get to make new friends. The most two subjects I like about this place is break time and art.
Apple International School would be one of the best schools for your child because, one, the curriculum that we offer is a UK National Curriculum, which is an internationally recognized curriculum, famous the world over. Children who come over here will get a chance to experience a multicultural aspect, which will make that person to become like a global citizen.
The secondary campus is built in such a way that the provisions for curricular and extracurricular activities are met. So we have big laboratories for science subjects and ICT. We have a good basketball court. We have a very good football turf, and we have ISH indoor sports hall, and we have a multipurpose hall also to ensure the students are benefiting from all curricular and extracurricular activities.
Hi, my name is Yuval Shah and I'm the head boy of the Apple International School, which led me to an extraordinary school where my journey of self-discovery and self-development began. The student community out here is also outstanding, as we always learn how to be future-minded citizens, which is a key in being a 21st century. We are the future global-minded citizens of the UAE. Well, that's it from the head boy, and always proud to be an Appleite.